Match 53 underway, and you see 1595 launch a single fuel after they deliver their gear. There goes the pummeling, but a little bit inaccurate. We've got 2990 on the other side, Hotwire trying to hit the fuel, but nobody able to hit the boiler. And so with a rotor spinning on each side, it'll be 75 all. 5 out of our 6 robots back here near the blue side of the field. We've got the Sonic Squirrels and Hotwire both in the retrieval zone. They've got their gears, so they clear out and make way for CERT. Meanwhile, right behind them, it's 1595. The Dragons dropping a gear onto the blue airship. Blue already has their second rotor spinning, and they are halfway to rotor number 3 with still plenty of time left in this match. Red Alliance is right behind them. They spin up their second rotor. The CERT pilot give that handle some cranking, and they're working on rotor number 3 as we come up on a minute and a half to go. A 5-point lead for the Blue Alliance, 120 to 115. Dragons drop off another gear for Blue. Right behind them, the the Horns of Havoc pilot has a gear as well. That'll give the Blue Alliance their third rotor and get them a head start on the fourth. The Red Alliance's third rotor should be coming right now, courtesy of the Sonic Squirrels, as the Hotwire pilot cranks that one up. And now it's a 5-point match yet again, this time 160 to 155. The Dragons wandering around with a robot full of fuel. We'll see if they're going to try to put that in the boiler. I don't see a gear in the robot at the moment, so we may see the Blue Alliance trying to shoot at their boiler. 45 seconds to go, and every point going to count as this match winds down to its conclusion. There goes the fuel from the Dragons, having a hard time locking on, but now they're in the right angle. You just got to find the distance. 2990 on the other side. We got dueling shooters. Hotwire seems to be having a little more luck with the accuracy at this point. But as the whistle sounds, nobody has successfully built up a kilopascal of pressure. Check that. Red now up to 2 kPa. Not going to be enough to overcome the 5 points they're down at the moment, but it will come down to the climb. 10 seconds remaining. All 3 blue robots are ready for flight. Can Red match? Nobody on board yet for Red. There's Hotwire. 3 seconds now. 2, 1. And just at the end there, the Squirrels grab onto their rope, but they cannot trigger the touchpad. And with the thumbs up from our head referee, it looks like our scores are going to be good. We've got the okay. We'll put them up on the big board, and just as it seems, victory in this match going to go to the Blue Alliance.
Definitely worth taking a look at here. It looks like it may have not been a close match, 310-207. You wouldn't think in any situation that was actually a tightly played match, but it all really did come down to the final end. It was, if you take a look at it here, a replay brewing, a very, very close one. Those 2 kilopascals that the Red Alliance put away could have made the difference. As we zip back the replay here and prep to show, just like that, you can see how fast the action happens here on the field, ladies and gentlemen. Before you know it, blink and something's happened. Scores have changed. What could have come down to a couple of points changed at the very end when you had climbers. That's really a deal breaker.